When you unpack the new analyzer, basically you have a sample line with a needle and a sheath in a bag, the power supply which recharges the battery, and then the actual analyzer. There's a switch on the side on the right you can turn on to turn on the machine. Then the sample line you'd attach over here, which is for the gas inlet. The gas outlet is on the right hand side, and you simply press test. When you press test, you'll see gas readings. In this particular case, I had some CO2 gas in there, so it's just purging out the remnants that was there. So basically we get to air, which is 20.9, CO2, which is around 0.05, 0.0, somewhere less than that. And then what I can do, I'll go ahead and I'll just run a sample. I have some 20% CO2 gas that I can run. Basically it'll draw in that. It'll take a couple tests because I have a little bit of a long line. But the test process is simply to press the test button here. You'll see a countdown timer go from 15 seconds counting down till a final test right there, and we can go ahead and run it again. You can see we're getting pretty close to that 20% reading, and the oxygen is now reading somewhere around 0.1. So there we get our final reading, 19.7, 0.04. So that's CO2 and oxygen, and we can continue to test. If you were to do different packages, basically it tests for 15 seconds and then you get your result, and then you can move on to another package. So there you see we're pretty much at our 20%, so we're at 19.95 and 0 oxygen. The battery life on this is 15 to 16 hours, so you should get roughly 2 shifts on it. If you need to, you can use the power adapter plugged into the side over here, and you can run the analyzer while it's plugged in and charging. Once you're done with the shift, you should go ahead and charge the analyzer when it's not in use. And that's all there is to it. Thank you.